In this video, kikireview will review a smartphone from the Samsung brand, the Samsung Galaxy A54. Chipset: Samsung Exynos 1380 octa-core, 2.4 GHz, quad-core plus 2 GHz, quad-core. 8 GB RAM. Display 6.4 inches, 16.26 cm, Super AMO LED 1080 by 2340 pixel, 403 ppi, 120 Hz refresh rate. Gorilla Glass 5 protection, bezel-less with punch-hole display. Compare photos. Triple camera setup, 50 megapixels, up to 10x digital zoom, wide-angle primary camera. Also 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera and also 5 megapixels macro camera. LED flash 4K at 30 fps video recording. Front camera 32 megapixels wide-angle lens. 4K at 30 fps video recording. Battery 5000 mAh, 25 watt fast charging with USB Type-C port. General SIM 1. Nano, SIM 2. Nano, Hybrid. 5G technology. 128 GB internal storage. Expandable up to 1 TB. Dust resistant and water resistant. For the price of this Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone, kikireview has provided a link in the description. You can choose the variant and compatibility of this Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone. kikireview thank you for watching this Samsung Galaxy A54 video and see you soon.